These rocks are just beautiful. Ah!
This is so
A rock monster. Alright, you all packed up?
Yep.
Okay. Say bye to the cabin by the river. We are gonna get some breakfast, climb a mountain, and then head on home. And I gotta say, I am gonna miss the sound of the roaring river though. It's kind of nice to like come out here in the morning and hear it.
How amazing does that look?
Ooh, that looks amazing. Yeah. You know, how's your breakfast?
Oh my god, so freaking delicious.
So good.
Like,
oh my god.
If you're in this area, you should come here.
Yeah.
We found it thanks to really good Google reviews, which it deserved.
Yeah, amazing.
And it's like pretty crowded because it's really popular, but also it's big enough that you don't really have to wait. So
and
it was a good
amazing.
Experience.
So what is it called?
Delicious.
Stony Knob Cafe. Check it out.
Delicious.
Yes. We're at Glass Mine Falls. Look at that fog. It's crazy.
Find you. Find you.
You're gonna disappear into the mist. She's gone. I don't know where she went. She just walked away. Oh, this is gorgeous. I can tell you, I can hear the waterfall, but I definitely can't see it. Nothing here. I'm coming.
This way is really cool.
Oh, wow.
It's magical.
Look at that. And we actually got boots on. We actually came prepared for a hike this time.
Oh, I didn't wear my boots.
It's the first time hiking without Birkenstocks.
First time.
These rocks are just beautiful. Ah!
This is so cool.
A rock monster. Oh, this is cool. Do you think you can climb up there?
A bear?
Yeah.
Oh no, I don't want to. Maybe a little bit. Oh yeah, it's like a rock.
You get up
cave.
there? Oh, a rock cave. Wow.
I feel like I'm in Frozen where the trolls live.
Oh, the trolls. Yeah, maybe we can go see the love experts.
I earned my fire crystal. Funny how like to make kids laugh we'd like run around scaring them and tickling them.
Yeah, it's funny, right?
But we don't do that when we're adults.
Hey, are there
Get you!
Bigfoots in North Carolina?
Totally.
Yeah?
I don't know.
It'd be pretty sweet to see a Bigfoot. This is like why I wanted to take this trip, like to get outside and get air and like take some days off from work and like, oh, it's amazing. This is like exactly what I wanted and what I needed. It's like just to get outside. Yeah, there's the frozen trolls right there. We could get troll fully wetted.
Yes.
Yeah, they'll make you a cool flower dress.
I like the outfit.
Yeah.
That's like one of my favorite parts.
And my feet aren't pear-shaped.
Kind of has like a cool, mystical, magical kind of.
It does, doesn't it?
Feel.
Yeah. It's like very medieval feeling, kind
I
of.
feel like we're in Ireland.
Yeah.
I've never been to Ireland, but I feel like this is what Ireland looks like.
It does kind of feel like it.
Okay.
Kind of feels like we're in like another world though. Like with this fog and stuff, like you just can't, like there's only the space that we're in. There's like nothing else. That's cool. What is that? Fuzzy, stringy plant. Yeah.
Oh.
What do you think? I say we just ditch the car here and walk to the ocean. We could totally get there before it gets dark. All right, is it time to hit the road? We are stopped somewhere in Kentucky on our way home. We've got about 3 hours to go, but look at this place. It's crazy. That's like a gas station castle. It's got plants next to all the pumps. I've never seen a gas station like this before. It's blowing my mind. It's truly amazing. We are back home. Another adventure is in the books. I gotta say, it was an amazing weekend, a much needed escape, a much needed getaway. good time to kind of slow down and relax a little bit. So anyways, thank you guys for coming along on this little adventure with us. We hope you enjoyed it. Remember, create the life that you love, and we'll see you later. Bye.